Hey guys, so I have another quickie tutorial for you. I'm going to do this look. Really pretty glittery kind of lavender purple smoky look. Been doing a lot more dramatic looks because just having fun playing with makeup at home. And yeah, I'm really liking like the glitter on this look. This is from the Pop Beauty Dusk palette. I was like, whoa, this glitter is what I'm wearing. You see that? Oh my god, it's amazing. So if you want to see how I do this, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to moisturize and prime my skin with this Mercier moisturizing mask. I learned it from Painted by Spencer on Instagram. It's really great for dry skin. And then I'm going to conceal my lids, and then I'm moving on to this Pop Beauty palette. This warm orangey brown is a great transition shade. It's matte. It's great for any eyeshadow combo. And I'm placing this lilac shade on my lid because the glitter has a bit of lilac in it too, and I don't want any holes poking through the glitter. Now I'm using my finger to apply this gorgeous glittery shadow. It's very complex. It's like silver, kind of like purpley. It's so pretty. In retrospect, I probably should have put something stickier to catch it because some of it did fall. But now I'm smoking out the lid using a deep matte purple. And then on my lower lash line, I'm using this lavender pencil from Make It Forever to really lay down a nice solid line because I want that lower lash line to be very, very dominantly lilac. And you need kind of like a pencil base to do it. So I'm setting that with the same shadow I used on my lid. And then I'm using that same purpley color to blend my crease and the tear duct. I just love how these colors blend together. They're so pretty. Smoke out that outer V a little bit more with that purple, just to kind of get some definition. And once that purple is laid down, I go right underneath that with that small crease brush from Cazzetti in that transition shade. Now I'm using Afra brow pomade to define my brows. I like them nice and sharp and kind of like a little bit more glam for these type of looks because a glam eye definitely calls for a glam brow. You can use any brow pomade. A lot of people ask me about this a lot lately because I've been using more dramatic brow products, but you can use your Anastasia brow pomade if you want. And then I'm going to conceal just to sharpen up the brow a little bit. Make sure to blend that out nicely. And then over the brow bone, I'm using this shimmery nude shade from that same Pop Beauty palette. I'm using Inglot gel liner to wing the top line. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm actually going to go back in with shadow and just smoke out that wing. So now lashes are from Lady Moss Beauty. Not too thick. I wanted to see that glitter behind it. This is Juvia's Place foundation. I'm using a flat top foundation brush. I actually ended up thinning it out with a little bit of oil because it is very full coverage and matte, and I tend to like more medium dewy coverage. But it goes with the look, a little bit more glam. So once the foundation is nice and laid down, I'm going to go to highlight and contour. The highlight is from Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. I'm using this pointed like tulip shaped foundation brush, and it makes the concealer blending so fast. I haven't used a brush like this in a long time for a concealer, but I'm glad I found it again because it shortens the routine considerably. Now I'm going in with this Too Faced darker concealer to contour. As you can see, it's very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. All of the products on my face are wet, like creamy liquid, just because I think it just looks so glowy and natural, and I'm not really going anywhere, so it doesn't have to be really set because I take the makeup right off. Then I go in with another cream contour for my nose. I always go with a cooler nose contour, by the way. This cream blush is from Kevyn Aucoin. It's an old favorite. I wish I had more shades. And then, sorry the mirror is blocking my lips, but I'm using like a plummy kind of lip liner from Afra, and then a nude creamy shade from Pink Digger, a local Atlanta brand. And that is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you like these kind of quick tutorials. And until next time, have a great night. Ciao, Bellas.